Ooh, fuck. Ooh, yeah, shit. Oh, yeah. Fuck yeah. Oh, man. Damn. Look at that. Fuck. Fuck yeah, shit. God damn. Fuck me, shit. That's my fucking car. Ooh, yeah. Oh, fuck. Ooh, yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck me. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Holy shit. Fuck. Fuck me. Shit. Oh, holy shit. That's my fucking car. Yeah, that's right. Who's the coolest Nissan Juke in the whole world? That's right, you are. That's right. That's right, you are. You know what's crazy? When I first got the Juke, I always thought it was kind of like a cutesy girl car, you know what I mean? But like, I could see through it, right? Because all the cool ass lines that go through it, and like the rally styling cues like in the fog lights. And I was like, fuck it. I'm gonna take this thing and I'm gonna lift it and I'm gonna turn it into something I'm not gonna be embarrassed to be seen in. And I mean, look at it now. It's got 35 1250 tires on it. I never thought that this thing was gonna be this big when I first bought it 6 years ago. Speaking of how long it's been, wow, it's been a while, huh? I thought jumping in front of the camera and playing a funny character to make working on my car entertaining was a fun idea, but it just started to weigh on me. It also made actually working on the car really difficult. Compounded by the fact that I had no idea what I was doing most of the time meant these mods took like 10 times longer than I really should have. I recorded a bunch of footage of installing this lift, but I had a lot of life changes that happened that I won't get into right now, but that meant I kind of had to shelve the video indefinitely. But right now, I just need to get this thing running again. So a few months ago, I took this thing on a pretty big road trip. I took it up to the Hot Wheels Legends event in person in Atlanta. That was cool. That was really just a stop on my way up into North Carolina. They were putting on their first Gambler event this year and I wanted to check it out. But anyways, it was on my way back from that when it started to overheat really badly. Yeah, I was just trying to make the last of the trip in one go, and I had just gotten into downtown and it started overheating so bad that I had to pull over to the side of the road and wait for it to cool down. And I knew I had gone too long in this transmission fluid. It had gotten really hot in the year before going to last summer's Hot Wheels Legends tour, and it overheated 3 more times on this trip. And it's just been driving a little weird since I got home. Now, I had already drained all the CVT fluid out of it because I knew I wasn't going to be driving it for a while. And also I was waiting for some trans fluid I bought off of eBay to get here. Come on, you little fucker. What the fuck? Now, money's been kind of tight, so I've been trying to find an alternative, but I think I found a pretty decently priced one. The listing said it was going to be used for anybody who owns a Nissan CVT. Actually, now that I say that out loud, it's kind of a weird way to list it. It's for a CVT. It's probably like a weird Japanese or Chinese translation. So the CVT filler neck is supposed to be like right here, but something I didn't quite account for was when I dropped the subframe like 2 inches, it's all the way down there now. Jesus Christ, this is gonna be a pain in the ass to take off. Hold on. Okay, this is actually awesome because apparently it hasn't been clipped in this whole time, which is great for me because I don't have to go in there with a tiny little screwdriver and pry it up, but that's the dipstick. The annoying thing is you have to fill it up through the fucking dipstick hole, which is just a pain in the ass. I have just barely got that funnel wedged in there, so let's open this stuff up. Focus on the fucking thing, you little shit. Oh my god, this sucks. This fucking... Just gotta aim this thing. Oh, it's like green. It's going in a lot slower than I thought. What the fuck was that? What the fuck is it doing? Why is it doing that? Oh, fuck! Oh, God. Holy shit. What the fuck? So, I don't know what the fuck just happened, but something in that transmission fluid just turned me into a girl. Like, I need to cover up. I need a jacket or something. Jesus Christ, how am I supposed to... I'll just make it quick. Hopefully nobody sees me like this.
Hey there.
Hey. Alright, what the fuck is in this shit? Less than 2% glycerin, ethyl alcohol, progesterone? What even? 98% saturated estrogen solution? What kind of soy boy shit is this? Wait, a permanent way to ensure an effective and fast shifting transition? What the fuck? No fucking way. This isn't transmission fluid. This is transition fluid. And I just filled my fucking car up with this stuff. Because of this Juke, I'm a girl now. Permanently. Fuck. Now I've got to take this thing to the Nissan dealership.